Hey everyone, this is Judi with JLBCrafts. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you so much for giving me a try. In this video, I'm going to be planning for the week of March 14th to the 20th in my vertical planner that I use for wellness and fitness. And so if you watched my Monday video, this video is posting on Wednesday, you know that I did a video on how to shop on Etsy for Ukraine creators for digital files, and then how to download them and use them. This is what I ended up with. And so I had said that I was planning on using these for my wellness planner. So today is that day. I love blue and green. You guys know those are my favorite colors, green especially. And so that's why I went with these colors. These are all the Simply Gilded Books and Botanicals washi tapes I have. This is one of my favorite kits of all time. Typically the set comes with, I think it was this 3 right here, and then there were 2 extra sets that came out with when the Melody came out. So I was able to snag those as well. So I think what I want to do is integrate some of these washi tapes. Right now I'm thinking this size. The spots down the spine on this particular page are purple, and I don't have any purple. So I'm kind of thinking one of these 3 down the spine. Now this one has a heart on it that will look sideways. So maybe I'll use this one over here with my words. And I'll put one of these down the spine. This one, either this one with the greens and blues, or this one with the florals. I need to decide. And I wish you all could give me your opinion. I'm listening. Tell me what you think. That one or that one. I guess what I could do, this one's a little bit more solid. This one's a little bit lighter, so maybe I'll go ahead and use that one. Plus, it's already got spots on it, so I won't need to worry about these spots showing through. I think it'll just blend in. So I'm going to start with that. And then this, other than that kind of stuff, this is probably going to be a pretty quick spread because I set up my stickers to be pretty much just peel off in one piece and use. So I'm going to start with this. When you're doing washi tape like this, don't pull it super tight. Pull it tight enough to get it straight, but if you pull it super tight, it's going to stretch, and then that, when it contracts, that's what makes your page curl. Sticky side to sticky side for punching. So I pulled these washi tape bullets for my food diary. I put 4 on each day for breakfast, lunch, dinner, snack. I printed out my workout boxes. I'm Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday this week, and my hydration sticker. So I'm going to grab my super pointy tweezers and set up this middle section. What, baby? What? What's the matter? Hi. You gonna help? Nobody can see what I'm doing, buddy. Come over here. Keep going. What? Hi, baby. They've had lunch. I'm not sure why Kelsey came to say hi. All right. So far, so good. Come over here, baby. Come over here. I'll be back. Alright, after knocking my scissors and 2 rolls of washi tape on the floor and actually picking one up with his teeth and trying to run away with it, he is sitting on the edge of my desk. So this is the sticker book I pulled just to get some words and quotes and stuff out of. I feel like it's a lot of minty green and pink, but it's got this page of words that are brown on brown, and I have some brown in the little scenes that I built, but not really any brown anywhere else. Dude! Quit. So I thought the brown words would be nice. So, and then here are my prompts. I have my normal prompts. I will link in the cards up above the video to where I show how I make these. So let's look for something above keto, my positive word, and my feeling. Right now feeling frustrated. Maybe a quote for down here, a weekend banner, that kind of stuff. So let's see here. Some days you have to create your own sunshine. I feel like that's pretty appropriate right now with what's going on in the world. Start every day with a grateful heart. I also feel like that's pretty appropriate right now. Not taking, those of us that aren't worried about bombs falling on our heads, being thankful for what we have. Oops. Let's see, positive word. How about love? And feeling, I don't know if there's a word that sums up the way I'm feeling. I am going to put be kind just because I have been doing a lot of videos and things trying to get the word out on easy ways that you can do little things to help support Ukraine. I just wish them the best of luck. So I like that one. How about the best is yet to come? Will that fit? Yeah, let's put that above keto. And then, actually, I just saw this don't look back. I think maybe that might be a good one for keto. Focus on where you're at and what the future holds versus looking backwards to less happy times. And then I think I'm going to use one of the #Stand with Ukraine stickers that I made as my weekend banner in that position where I have room for it. Okay, so I'm going to white out this week's list. Actually, no, I'm not. Just because it's super, super faint and I'm not sure it's actually going to show. So fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. I think I want to go ahead and cover that up if this is long enough. Just barely long enough. And then we'll put the shorter one over here. Okay, now let's build our left side stack up. So I'm going to start with Don't Look Back, about at the top row of dots here. We'll put keto underneath. Okay, and then I want to use this washi tape because I feel like the blues and greens fit with the rest of the page, and this plant in particular goes nicely with the stickers that I made. So I'm just going to put this right up underneath there. Oh, my heart got ripped in half. All right, and then we'll put this quote up here. I'm going to put it a little bit down off the washi just because, as I've mentioned before, the silicone coating that is on washi tape that keeps it from sticking to itself, I don't want that sticker to disappear. So, and then I'll come up from the bottom so that I maximize the space for that journaling prompt. So this first one is watching, the first prompt. We are watching a show called, and actually, you know what, that's really wide. I'm thinking I might need to rip that in half. Let's do it. I've never done that before. I'm afraid I'm going to end up with this being too wide if I don't. So we are watching a show called Foundation. It is based on an Isaac Asimov book. So if you like sci-fi, I read some of him in college, some of his short stories. They're doing a great job. I love his books, but he's more about the scientific concept than the flowery descriptive stuff. And so the show, they've had to imagine a lot of it, and they're doing a great job. I just really love it. It's on Apple. And we're still slowly kind of watching Jeopardies here and there. And then feeling I chose Be Kind. I'm ripping this in half again. You know how I like my uneven rips. Listening to, it's been raining a lot here. I think some of our mudslides have even made the news. So I really enjoy listening to the rain, and if you have bird feeders, you know how much the birds love the rain. it fascinates my cats who don't like to go out in the rain. So we listen to the birds singing and playing in the rain. All right, reading. I am reading a book called Clean House. It's the next in the Say Assassin thrillers by Ty Hutchinson. It just came out. I had it on pre-order, so it downloaded to my app, my reading app on my phone. And maybe I'll leave this one full height just because it's the last one and I don't need the other half of it anywhere. Plus I feel like there's plenty of room up there for that open-ended prompt. My positive word. Okay. And I just realized I didn't put my journaling prompts on here yet. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those and put those on as well. Last week in this planner, I didn't use these prompts. So if you aren't really feeling ambitious enough or you don't have the equipment to print your own prompts, check out last week's wellness video. If you have any of the wellness Happy Planner sticker books, you probably have what you need to try making a similar setup like this, like I did last week, at least for a couple of weeks to even see if you like it. And then you can look at, you know, ways to go ahead and create the prompts yourself if you want to, or even just write them in, or maybe you want to Google and find some other prompts. So, all right, there we go. I love it so far. Really pretty. Okay, so let's go ahead and put my stickers on. This is going to go super fast, like I said, you guys. So this one, well, let's start with this one. So this one, I sized these so that they would be roughly the size I needed for just to go right into the boxes. And that one is, I just need to cut a little bit off of either side. I wasn't measuring it exactly when I kiss cut it. So yeah, just a little bit more off this side. And this is just printed on full sheet white sticker paper. I like the online labels brand that you can order either directly from them or from Amazon. I got mine from Amazon. Okay. And since it's white on white, I'm not too worried about, you know, the edges. There we go. So there's my comfy little... So this is all, for those of you that didn't see Monday's video, this is all artwork from digital downloads from Etsy shops that are from creators based in Ukraine. I show in that video how you can filter on Etsy to a location, and I chose Ukraine. And so there are some different artists in here. The kitty cat is a different artist, but these file types are .png. And the super cool thing about them is they have a clear background. So I put the kitty cat and the blanket on top of the sofa there. And since they're clear background, you can layer stuff up and it doesn't even show. This pillow I put on the chair, all these little coffee things I put on the desk, the plant I put on the table, the pillows I put on this sofa, the kitty cat I put on the back of the sofa. So you can just, I mean, you can truly build your own scene, and then you can choose to print it right on the page like I did in my dashboard video on Saturday. I could have fed these right into my printer and just printed that right on there. The one exception to that is this painting here. This is by my husband. The national flower of Ukraine is the daisy, and he has this painting that he did. He sent me a digital version of it for me to use, and I figured it looked kind of like, first of all, it's got the blue and yellow colors of the Ukrainian flag, but I thought it looked kind of like a painting hanging on the wall if I put it here like this. So that was my vision for that, like, you know, you have a painting hanging over a fireplace or something. And so I just kind of filled up some of the page with these. This one is meant to go right up here, or it can sit over here. And then I did this is the hashtag. I don't know if there is an official hashtag or anything, but this is the one that I keep seeing, Stand with Ukraine. And so I went ahead and picked one of the blues out of the sofa. This is all made with Canva. There we go. I'm not sure I want a second one over here. And actually, you know what? I did say I was going to do that as more of like a weekend banner. Let me see if I can move it. Yep. Let's put this over here. We have the painting over there. We'll put this over here. Okay. And then I just wonder if there are any other like little words or quotes or anything, or maybe I'll just leave it empty like that. I'm not sure. I think I might just leave it, guys, the way it is, because I just don't know if it needs anything else. Maybe I guess I could look for another quote or two. Think good thoughts. Think good thoughts of Ukraine, for Ukraine. Yeah, I like that. Let's put that one on there. And then maybe something for here. I wish there was one that said something about peace. This is an older KaiserCraft sticker book. I'm sure you won't be able to find it anymore, but I have it in my stash. And I'm definitely going to use it. Maybe it just helps you see the possibilities for using other sticker books that maybe weren't specifically designed to go with the Happy Planner, and how well you can integrate them. I'm thinking I want to put, I saw this little bird here on what looks like a postage stamp. I'm thinking maybe I'll put it right there just to kind of, again, be something like a, that's too big, a painting hanging on the wall. That's too big. I think a lot of the stickers in this book might be too big, so. There, I just saw this quote, dreams do come true. Dreams do come true. I've used it there. Do these repeat? Well, I think, oh, let's do it. Let's use it. Where'd it go? I keep losing it. There we go. Let's go ahead and use it. All right, I think that's good enough. I like that. That's pretty full. So let me put it in my planner, show you what it looks like. There we go. There is my wellness and fitness spread for the week of March 14th through the 20th, using all digital downloads from creators in the Ukraine. I hope you like this video. I hope you will take some time just to watch enough of Monday's video to educate yourself on how you can search on Etsy for Ukrainian content creators and help them out by purchasing some of their digital files. Every penny counts for them right now, and this is a quick and easy way for you to help them. If you can't figure it out, like I said, everything you need to know is in that video, and the links to the shops where I got these specific graphics are there as well in case you want some of them yourself. So if you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you.